What's up everyone, welcome back to Workshop Rebuild. I'm back on the Allis Chalmers C and A, so stay tuned. So in part one of the Allis Chalmers, I just made a quick overview of the machine, what it's based of, and how I painted it, and what I'm going to be doing to this machine. And I'll leave a link up above so you can watch that video. So now for part two, I have some updates, and I will be assembling some parts today. So let's get at it. In part one, I explained all this right here that you see in front of you. And right here, this is a new addition since it's not painted. I'm going to have to paint this here very soon. But what this is actually combined a PTO hydraulic pump off to the right side right here. And right here, eventually, we will have a belt pulley. This all together works as one when engaged. And this is an addition to this machine. So right here you have the belt pulley, which will be right here, attached by a key. And this shaft is driven at the same time as the PTO. As you guys can see, I'm turning here, and the PTO turns as well. So to engage this lever right here will have to be pulled up, which engages the PTO and drive. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but up front all the way through the torque housing, the shaft goes to the engine and it is driven. So now when I put the lever back down, it disengages and it's free to spin. So when you engage it, the engine powers the PTO and the belt pulley and the hydraulic pump at the same time. When you disengage it, it just stays put. Right here is the hydraulic pump. I will be making a new spring for this hydraulic pump right here that these levers work together. And this right here I closed off. This will be the hydraulic line for the external cylinder or some attachments in the future. And as well, I will be painting this in primer brown, so that's also something to do. Moving on to the sides, on each side of the axle wheel, I will be putting on these wheel weights and wheel rims. So basically what it consists of is the rim right here with 5 bolts right here, and with 2 bolts here on each side. We have on the inner side the wheel weight. So this right here is the wheel weight, and this right here is the wheel rim. And I already gave it a coat of primer on the inside, which I will not be painting orange, but I will be priming this area here and the outside once I attach it to the axles right here. And once they are attached, I hope I can go on ahead and put the back tires back on so that it's standing on the tires in the back. For up front, I will still have to see when I will attach the engine, but in the meantime I'll get all these other things done. So
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Side, and I might have to take them apart again while this machine is outside to paint the insides of it, but that's no big deal. And looking over here, I'm going to be mounting these two bolts that I just cleaned before, and they will hold this cross member right here that adds stability for both braces, for the seat and for the brake pedals. So I'll be doing this. And then I'll be focusing on a spring that I have to make on the back PTO, and I'll show you a close-up on that here in a minute. Going to be using some copper coat on the bolts. These two bolts right here have these special washers that can grip around this cross member properly, that it doesn't move around. Okay, that's already pretty tight right there, but I'm going to leave it a little bit loose because there will be bolts going in these holes right here and right here, because there will be two cross members left and right, and I don't want to tighten it yet because I might have to loosen them off and move it from left to right just a shade, so we'll do that. Mounted the wheel weights. I got the spring for the PTO done. I'll show you a video of that right now. And in the meantime, I'm going to clean all these parts up. I'm going to clean the wheel weights, the PTO housing, and all these parts right here on the table. I will be priming them with the metal primer and let it dry overnight, and then hopefully I can do some more work on some other things.
I said